Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you tips and tricks on how to find the right drugstore foundation. I know sometimes it can be overwhelming. There's so many brands and so many kinds out there, especially in the drugstore, and most of the time there are no testers or everything's all over the place and you get no help. If you want to know some tips and tricks, please keep watching. So the first thing that you have to do is to know your skin tone and your skin type. With that, you're going to be able to narrow what you're looking for when it comes to drugstores. Like for example, for me, my skin type is dry, sensitive, acne prone skin, and I have a yellow undertone. So with that, when it comes to drugstore foundation, I just focus on that category and then I choose from there. After knowing your skin tone and your skin type, the next step is to do your research. Again, there's so many foundations out there, but obviously there's always one that's a standout. So right now at this moment, the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation is on a hot seat right now, so I research on it and then maybe want to try it. So research on like 3 popular foundations and maybe check it out, and then let us head to step number 3. So for step number 3, before we go to the drugstore to choose our foundation, I suggest that you write down in your notes in your phone on what shades that you currently have in your collection that works best. So for me, I just write on my notes on my phone what are the brands and the corresponding shades that I have. So when we go there, maybe you can grab, let's say, the Maybelline 220 and then go to L'Oreal and see what is the closest one, and that's exactly what I did for these two. So at least, again, it eliminates all the other shades, and then from narrowing it down, then you can obviously try it on. Okay, so I went to Maybelline and got the 220. Now we're going to, since there are no testers here and it's only Maybelline has testers, I'm not gonna test anything on my face. So you come bare skin, so you can test it out from your cheek to your chin and your neck and see if it matches. If it disappears in between, then that's your shade. And obviously if it doesn't, one's darker, one's lighter, then you gotta eliminate some stuff. So my shade for the L'Oreal is 455, which, as you can see, it's really similar. If I go 475, you could tell it's darker. So this side is totally eliminated already. And then if, let's say, we want to test something that's lighter, we go 420 and you could see it's way lighter. So your chances are in this area, and that's where you play with. So I was debating whether to get the 450 or 445 and 455, and then I ended up just going for the 455, which is the perfect shade for me. The other tip also, it's better to go lighter in terms of the shade rather than darker, because you're gonna end up contouring all over your face and bronzing rather than being so dark here and then everything else is light. So again, to recap, try to match it with your neck and overall skin tone of your body and not just your face. And that is it for this video for today. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you like it, please hit like, subscribe, and comment down below what are the foundations you want to try on. And always remember, don't forget, whatever today brings, always find joy. Up until the next video, bye.